Hey Jada, we going to start filming the Jayda show. What we doing today?
We're going to get the slime.
We're going to get the slime? Who do you have on your phone?
My brother JoJo.
You FaceTiming him?
Uh-huh.
Okay, you ready to get this party started?
Yes.
What about you, JoJo?
You want to be on my YouTube channel?
It's the Jayda show. We're going to get the slime?
Yes.
Okay. Teach you how to make slime?
Yeah.
Yep, we're going by school supplies. Keep straight. Watch out for the traffic. So, is you gonna make slime with your brother? Huh?
He don't be eating the slime.
He gonna try to eat the slime.
Yes.
He can't eat the slime. That's not good for you.
Yes, it's really bad. You can't chew it.
Oh, okay. You could choke on that.
Yes.
Where we at today getting the stuff for the slime? We where? Oh, okay, we're going to school supplies? Okay.
So it should be up in here full color. Full color. I don't want to be on the camera.
Right over there.
Oh, you gotta eat glue. That's good. You need Elmer's glue. Well, you gotta get.
Little slime.
It's the Nickelodeon slime kit?
Yes.
Go. First we're adding the glue.
Tell her what you're doing.
We added the first.
Then you add the water, baby.
We add the water first. Our water.
Mm-hmm.
Now stir it with the spoon.
Now mixing it up. Add the activator.
Yep, add the activator.
Only one step.
Only a little bit. Only a little bit. Okay. Stir it up some more.
And little glue. Forgot it.
Turn it in the slime. Yep, add the color. Now mix it in there. See if it's spread.
Why you hitting me, bro? I forgot.
Is it turning into slime?
Yeah. So y'all wonder why
Let your brother touch it.